So what comes next are different spellings for the same sound. So you're not going to have to put in such an effort to learn them because it would be quite obvious. But if they're just in case there's your thing that you want to learn, this is just a reminder of how to approach learning when you're dyslexic. Uh, you don't recite, that isn't going to work. It'll work for a few hours, but then by the next morning, you will have forgotten. So if you want to get something into your long term memory, um, then each word or sound tackle no more than 6 to 9 times. Otherwise, you're wasting your time. Um, Always have your eyes on the word you're learning, and then say it in different dramatic tones or sing each one, because that way you're pushing in your semantic processor, you're bringing in an interpretation, and that makes it instantly qualifiable for your long-term memory without you making any extra effort beyond that. So, yeah, speaking it in dramatic tones or singing, and then alternative approaches are humming the word while you're looking at how it's spelled. Um, and don't forget the look, say, cover, write, chalk method for spelling as well. That will help you learn these. Say it in accents, say it at different intervals, say it in different rhythms, whisper it in different ways. Um, when you think you know how to write from a recording of what you've been learning, test yourself. So that's the ultimate. If you want to record these sentences and then write them out, um, then you will see really clearly what what bits you still need to learn. Because otherwise, you kind of feel like you know it, and that gives you a very solid grounding. Yeah, this is the let's say cover write check method. So you write the word out from a recording, and in a colour, you correct any wrong letters. Two, now you copy out the correct word at the same time as naming the letters aloud. You also name the vowels aloud. So that would be, if the word was aloud you're learning, it would be ALOUD. You wouldn't be making the sounds of O or you just name them. Three, you hide that word and you write it out from memory, again using your voice. And then lastly, you mark yourself. Okay, these are words that sound like cat, mat, fat, bat. Words that sound like note, boat, toe, grow, go, soul, bowl. So see quite a lot of different spellings, all with an O sound. Words that sound like ape, rain, say, steak, they, ate, paper, vein, straight. Words that sound like are glass, jar, far, bar, car. Words that sound like or fraud, law, walk, fork, fought, fought, taught. Words that sound like pot, swat, not, got. Words that sound like chief, meat, seat, funny, she, petite, variation, receive, eve, key. Words that sound like I, kite, pride, wild, night, fly, height. Words that sound like faster, turn, go, work, learn, dollar, favor, center. Words that sound like tub, touch, some, Monday. Words that sound like owl. Owl, cow, out, drought. Words that sound like oi. Boy, soil, oil, foil. Words that sound like you. Mute, pupil, few. Words that sound like e. Bed, bread, said, friend. Words that sound like I or I. In, myth, within, trim. Words that sound like ooh. Boot, blue, new, super, suit, flute, soup, shoe, do, through. Words that sound like clean. Cook, would, could. A words. Any, all, at, after. B words. Big, rubber. C words. Circle, can, cider, certy, could. Ch words. Chip, match. Duck words. Dude, rubbed, duff. E words. Every, eat. F words. Fat, stuff, foam, tough. G words. Rag, haggle, ghost. H words. Hot, home. I words. In, it, lit. J words. Jet, jelly, gentle, barge, fudge. K words. Kite, cut, duck, Christmas. L words. Lip, full, sample, label, people, navel. N words. Man, simmer, lum, autumn. N words. No, nut, pneumonia, singer, nut. O words. Often, otter, other. P words. Help, happy, hope. Quat words. Qui. R words. Rat, right, carry, rhino, there. S words. Sip, glass, scent, was, house, castle, size. Sh words. Shop, machine, sugar. T words. Top, tip, table. Th words. Thursday, key, they. Words. Us, undo, up. V words. Very, no. What words. We, way. X words. Fox, exit, Christmas, kiss. Is the letter X, sounds like the word kiss. Y words. Yes, yesterday, yippee. Z words. Zip, buzz, his, choose, snooze, xylophone.